go back to the Royal Palace for their beauty rest this evening. And of course, we're starting with a lovely mini. Everyone can hear from this. Hugs and kisses. Hugs and kisses out there. And of course, those furry friends out there, it's Chip and Dale. Everyone say good night, Chip and Dale. Go get that bedtime snack, boys. And who could forget about our #1 duck? It's Donald Duck. Everyone say night, night, Donald. You are the #1 duck. You are. And of course, that diva herself. Everyone say ta-ta, Daisy. Ta-ta, girl. You better work that exit. You better work it, girl. And of course, that lovable Pluto. Everyone say ciao for now, Pluto. Ciao for now, Pluto. Ciao for now. And of course, that dancing dog himself, it's Goofy. Everyone say good night, Goofy. Good night, Goofy. And of course, the one, the only, the leader of the gang, it's Mickey Mouse. But Mickey, I hear we never say goodbye to you. So everyone join me as we say